students. In my first video and second video, I explained the chapter. In third lecture, I explained some small question answer. Today it is the fourth lecture of Standard 6 SS Chapter 14, Unity in Diversity. I am continuing discussing the question answer. Next question is which dances are famous? Which dances are famous in our country? My dear student, we have diversities in religion, festivals, languages. Okay, and my dear student, here though we are from different states, and in each and every state they have their own dances. Okay, and they are well known. Now take the example: Ras Garba, Navratri, Ras Garba, famous dances. Ras Garba is the famous dance of Gujarat. Those who are watching the serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, Daya. Okay, got it na? CID वाला दया नहीं हो. Which dances are famous in our country? Which dances are famous in our country? Answer. The famous dances of our country are. The famous dances of our country are. Okay, number 1, Ras Garba of Gujarat, Ras Garba of Gujarat, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Bhangra of Punjab, Bhangra of Punjab, Kathakali of Kerala, Kathak of Uttar Pradesh, Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Bihu of Assam, Odissi of Odisha, Ghumar dance of Rajasthan, and Lavani dance of Maharashtra are very famous. What it? Which are the famous dances? The number 1, Ras Garba of Gujarat, Bhangra of Punjab, Kathak of Uttar Pradesh, Bihu of Assam, Ghumar dance of Rajasthan, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali of Kerala, Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Odissi of Odisha, Lavani of Maharashtra, etc. are the famous dances of our country, India. Got it? Next question. How has everybody got equal opportunities? How has everybody got equal opportunities of primary education? Why? Okay, because of the RTA, right to get free and compulsory education for the children of ages 6 to 14. Okay, so how has everybody got equal opportunities of primary education? Answer. The government has implemented an act. In India we have made one act. Okay, एक नियम बनावे छे. What was that? The right to free and compulsory education. The right to free and compulsory education. That is called RTE. That is called RTE. R for right to free get compulsory education, RTE. Okay, to all children between the ages of 16 to 14. Okay, the children who are 6 years old, they can get education, free and compulsory education according to the Act RTE. Okay, the government has implemented an act, the right to free and compulsory education to all children between the ages of 6 to 14 years. So, because of this act, everybody has got equal opportunities of primary education. Got it? Next question is, Which discrimination are seen in our country? Discrimination means Bhedbhav. Which discriminations are seen in our country, India? When I explained this chapter, I said, rich and poor, male, female, urban, rural, okay, caste system, okay. Like this, we have discrimination. So, which discriminations are seen in our country? क्या बड़ा भेदभाव જોવા મળે છે? Okay, the discrimination between भेदभाव, discrimination between rich and poor. Rich people, they are neglecting the poor people. Okay, they are considering very low. Okay, rich people considering the poor people low. Okay, so there we have found discrimination. Male and female, male and female. At some places still the status of the women, girl is lower. They don't consider equal to men. Okay, at many places you will find. Okay, so discrimination between male and female, discrimination between urban and rural. Urban and rural means people of city and people of village. Okay, the people of city, the people who are staying in city, they consider the people who are staying in village, they are considering lower. Okay, so that is we can find discrimination there also. Then literate and illiterate, those who are educated, they are considering the illiterate people low. Okay, so we have discrimination between rich, poor, male, female, urban, rural, literate, illiterate, and caste system, caste discrimination, okay, etc. Seen in our country. We can see the discrimination in our country between rich and poor, literate, illiterate, male, female, urban and rural areas. Yes, students, my next exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, खाली जगह पूरो. Okay, whenever I give exercise, some students write only answer, they don't write full sentence. It is bad. Okay, my dear student, when you write fill in the blanks, you have to write down the full sentence with answer. Okay, don't write only answers. Some have this kind of bad habit. It is not good. Okay, so in examination, if I ask question, if question is there, fill in the blanks. Don't go for only answer, you have to write down whole thing. Okay, which sentence you have to you have to write answer with the full statement. Okay, now fill in the blanks. India has become a subcontinent. India has become a subcontinent due to blank. Why it is called subcontinent? Because of the diversities. Okay, because of the India has become a subcontinent due to diversities. Okay, next one. Blank festival is celebrated. Blank festival is celebrated with great pomp. In Maharashtra. Do you know which is the main festival of Maharashtra? Okay, Ganesh Chaturthi. That is called Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, Ganesh Chaturthi. Here also we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, but Ganesh Chaturthi has a great importance in Maharashtra. Okay, Lal Bagh Raja, something is there, na? Yeah. Okay, so Ganesh Chaturthi festival is celebrated with great pomp in Maharashtra. Got it? Next one. India made the feeling of blank. India made the feeling of blank true in the world. Which kind of feeling? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Means that the world is a family. The world is a family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. India made the feeling of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam true in the world. Next, in terms of religion, India is a blank country. In the terms of religion, India is a blank country. India is a secular country. Secular country means not even a single religion is higher, not even a single religion is lower. All the religions are equal. Okay, that's why it is considered as a secular country. Okay, next, people of Maharashtra. People of Maharashtra speak mostly blank language. Which kind of language they speak? Gujarati, Chinese. Which kind of language? Marathi. Okay, they speak Marathi language. Okay, in Maharashtra, Marathi, Gujarat, Gujarati, Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Kerala, Malayalam. Okay, remember. Ras Garba of blank state. Ras Garba of blank state is famous in India. Ras Garba of which state? I don't know. Do you know the answer? I don't know answer. What is that? Is it correct answer? Yeah, correct. So Ras Garba of Gujarat state is famous in the world. Okay. Ras Garba of Gujarat state is famous in India, also famous in the world. Okay. People of Punjab are known for blank dance. People of Punjab are known for blank dance. Which dance? Yeah, correct. Bhangra. Bhangra dance, Punjab, na? People celebrating Mahavir Jayanti. People celebrating Mahavir Jayanti follow blank religion. The people of which religion they follow? They celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. Hindu, Muslim, Christian. Which? Yeah, correct. Jain. Which religion? Jain religion. Yeah, correct. You know better than me. Okay, good. Blank is a unique feature. Blank is a unique feature of our country. What is a unique feature? Yeah, correct. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversities. Unity in diversity. Diversity is no problem. Okay, is a unique feature of our country. Parsi religion, Parsi people celebrate the festival of blank. Which festival they celebrate? Yeah, correct. Pateti. Which festival they celebrate? Pateti. Okay, and blank is the one of the most ancient culture of the world. Which culture? Indian culture. Indian culture is one of the Indian culture is one of the most ancient cultures of the world. Okay. Once again, if you want, we can read. Okay. India has become a subcontinent due to diversities. Second, Ganesh Chaturthi festival is celebrated with great pomp in Maharashtra. India made the feeling of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam true in the world. Next one, in terms of religion, India is a secular country. Next one, people of Maharashtra speak mostly Marathi language. Next one, Ras Garba of Gujarat state is famous in India, also famous in the world. Okay, people of Punjab are known for Bhangra dance. Next one, people celebrating Mahavir Jayanti follow Jain religion. Next one, unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country India. Unity in diversity. Next one, Parsis celebrate the festival of Pateti. And last one, Indian culture. Indian culture is one of the most ancient cultures of the world. Copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.